Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Manychat for beginners, and I'm going to show you an example for Instagram. So first is you have to open any browser and then just type out manychat.com, and then you'd be able to see this page so you can sign in with Facebook or sign in with a Telegram or with your Google or with your Apple. Now I'm just going to click on this get started free. So when you click on it, you'd be able to see this page right here, and then just have to choose what channel would you like to start with. So since we're focusing on Instagram, so you just click on the Instagram. Okay, so right here you'd be able to see all of the channels that I can use. So here ManyChat requires certain permissions to build automation with Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So just click on the button to grant them. So just click on continue with Facebook. And then right here, you just have to connect to Instagram. So just follow the instructions to connect to Instagram account. So a few steps left to connect your Instagram. So by clicking the button below, you will proceed to the Facebook connection automation. So just click on go to Facebook, and then this page will load right here. So you just have to continue with your Facebook account. And then here you have to connect to Instagram. To start automating your message by connecting your Instagram account to ManyChat in a few simple steps. So log into Instagram. So if you have a personal Instagram account, you'll switch to a professional account in this step. Then connect your Instagram account to Facebook page. Then only page admins can do this. Okay, so you also have to allow messaging permissions for ManyChat. Then make sure that you have your Instagram username and password ready. Now that if you already did that, just have to click on the get started option. Right here, you just have to choose which best describes you. So I'm just going to select creator and then just click on next. And right here, you just have to read this important note and then just click on next, and you have to select a category. So you can also show a category in your profile. So choose a category, and that's best describes what you do, and you'll have the options to display this in your profile. So for this one, I'm just going to go with a personal blog and then click on next, and then just have to switch to creator account. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, your Instagram creator account is ready. So after that, you just have to click on the done button. This one at the bottom right of your screen. And right here, you just have to select a Facebook page to connect to your Instagram account. Okay, so if you don't want to connect to any of these pages listed, you can also create a new page. Okay, so right here, you just have to allow access to messages and make sure that you have toggled this switch on. Okay, then after that, just have to click on next and then just wait for a couple of seconds. So updating the Instagram account settings. So this may take a few minutes. Okay, so it will depends on your signal, and then just click on the next button right here. And then here, what is Manychat allowed to do? So Manychat might not work properly if you turn off these options. So make sure that you have toggle all of this switch on right here to remove your email address, then access your Facebook ads and related stats, access profile and post from the Instagram account connected to your page, then manage comments for Instagram account connected to your page, and then access insights for the Instagram account connected to your page. And also, you have to manage and access page conversation in Messenger, and then manage and access messages for the Instagram account connected to your page. And then, once you're sure that all of the switch right here is on, so you just have to click on done. And then just wait while they're linking your accounts. Right here, you've now linked it to manage at the Facebook. So just simply click on OK. Okay. And then as you can see, congratulations, your Instagram is successfully connected to Manychat. And then right here, you can enable trial and get more value. You can get pro features free for 14 days. So if you would like to, activate this one for unlock all pro features, engage across all channels, get more leads, And you can also apply coupon and get pro. So you can activate this pro trial if you want to. So you have free for 14 days once you activate this one, and you have to pay for $15 a month. So for this one, I'm just going to start with free plan, and you'll be redirected to your dashboard right here. And what you're going to do is to click on this automation section at the left side of your screen, and then just simply click on add new automation. Right here, you have your ready to go templates. Okay, so you've got many templates that you can use for your automation. But for this video, I'm going to start from scratch. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the start from scratch option, this one at the top right hand corner of the screen. Then right here, you just have to create your, trigger message and what will happen next. Okay, so when you click on this right here, just going to create our new trigger. So for the next step is just have to select the Instagram and then send a message. Okay, so we have here the step one and step two. So when a trigger is an event that starts your automation, so click to add a trigger. So let's start with this step right here. So just click on this new trigger. So you just have to select a specific Instagram event that starts your automation. So for this one, I'm going to select the user sends a message. Okay, so you also have user clicks a follow link. For this one, I'm going to focus on the user sends a message and click on the text specific words in a message. So right here, just have to add your keywords or all of the possible words that your client or your customers might send you. So for example, hi, help, or period, or question mark, or how, good morning. So you can add as many as keywords that you think you need for your automation. So let me just type out everything that I need right here. So after that, you will then just have to click on the create option, this one at the bottom right of this page. Okay, so just click on create. So now let's go to the step two and then compose our automated reply or automated message for this trigger. So right here, you just have to compose your message. So for example, I'm just going to type out good day. Thank you for your message, or thank you for messaging us or our page. And we are very happy to give you the details of our product or latest product. And I'm going to type out, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get a 30% discount. Okay, so let me just finalize my reply message right here. Please do subscribe to our channel to have a 30% discount. So once you're done, you can now add your button. Okay, so you can rename your button right here. So you just simply type out click this link or click here. Okay, and then you have to select when this button is pressed. So open a website, make sure to paste right here your website URL. Okay, and then just click on done. So when someone click on this button, they'd be redirected to your website. Okay, so you can also add an additional action if you want to, but let's just leave this one for now. And then just click on create. Then as you can see, we have created our step one and step two. So when I click on the preview, this is what will gonna happen. Okay, so when someone sends a message, this automated message will be sent to them. So let me just fix this typo right here for the thank you part. I'm just going to add a letter K and then just have to save it, and let's preview this once again. Then once you think your automated reply is okay, so you can now set this live. So when someone messages you on Instagram, and you'll receive some of the trigger messages or trigger keywords. they'd be able to receive this automated message. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.